What's up, guys? So a lot of times people like to do leg swings just like this to help loosen up themselves before they get into some sort of activity and sport. But sometimes that this can do is not only help us, but it can also cause some back pain and some SI joint pain. And the problem is that we leg swing too aggressively and we go through an active resistance and into our passive zone. What does that mean? That means when we leg swing, we tend to rock and pounce on this hip movement way too much. So what we start to do is we start doing this. And what that does is, as I said before, it jams the spine and it hyperflexes it. So you're going from extreme range of motion to extreme. So the best thing you can do, just to start getting movement and mobilized, is grab a wall, grab a stool, grab a fence, and just start going through an active range. Right? I'm keeping my core nice and tight. I'm keeping it tucked in. I can grab, some sort of wall here, and I can just come back. Okay? So all we're doing is keeping this nice and stiff. We're not hyperextending and we're not hyperflexing. We're not doing this type of position. Now, you may be able to, but I want you to start with an active movement. Only go as far as your leg will go actively. Don't use the momentum to drive you through that zone, and that will possibly irritate your spine less, and it's going to help you start to get more active before you start your activity. All right, so give this a try. See you guys soon.